How to add shipping address on Temu application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to add shipping address on Temu application. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to your Temu application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just select this U icon from the bottom right corner, and here you should see there is address option over here. So you can also scroll down and click on this address option right between your screen. And from over here, as you can see, currently I don't have any shipping address saved, so you can just tap on this add a new address and just select your country or region and enter your first name as well as the last name, and simply enter your phone number as well. And similarly, scroll down and click on this search by address or postcode. So you just have to enter your postcode, street or house number to find your full address, and just click on agree terms and condition and simply click on save. So once you do all of that, your address should be successfully saved as a shipping address on Temu. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.